I'd like to share with you probably one of the most effective and simplest projects you can do for Halloween decor with things you probably already have around the house. We're going to start with a simple tomato cage. And what I've done here is taken a styrofoam head, which I got from the dollar store. And on the top of the tomato cage, you can just push this down to secure it in place. You can use a bit of packing tape as well to really hold it down. And from here, we're gonna wrap it with tons and tons and tons of white mini lights. And again, doesn't matter, you could use outdoor lights, indoor lights, depending if it's gonna go outdoors or indoors. And from here now, very, very simple, we're gonna take a white bed sheet. We're not even gonna cut the bed sheet. And you already know where this is going, right? We're gonna drape it over, and out of a piece of felt, what I've done is I've just cut two little sort of ghost eyes. Find out where the nose is, place the eyes, and place there. And when the lights dim down, this is one scary dude.